Okay, so our next equation to solve is this time is in exponential form. So it's going to be really similar to the steps we did in the log one. We're going to isolate, instead of this time the log, we're going to isolate the base exponent, switch forms, and then solve with algebra steps. All right, so this one starts off in our exponential form, which again, one more time, we have a base number, and then an exponent, and then equals a value. That's called exponential form. All right, and so for us, we need to isolate that first. So like on this particular question, we have our base and exponent right there, but we also have this times 15. So we're going to start by dividing by 15 on both sides so that that base exponent is the same. Not is the same, is by itself. So we get 100. All right, and now we want to switch forms. So hopefully we can identify our bases here. It's the 4. And then our exponent is the 2x part, and then this is our value. So in the other form, all right, so in log form, it goes log, and then the little base number goes here. Our definition of log is find exponent, so that goes over here, and then the value goes right there. All right, so on this one, now that we have it isolated, we're going to switch the forms. So I'm going to write the word log, and I'm going to write my little base down here, so 4. My value comes next, 100. And then equals the exponent of 2x. All right, and so now we know we're going to divide by 2 eventually, but we just got to turn this left-hand side into a number. And so that's something called the change of base, where your calculator does base 10. So to do a base 4 log or a non-base 10 log, you just write it as log over log and type that in your calculator. All right, so I'll show you what that looks like here quick. So we're going to do log of 100, close the parenthesis, divide by log of 4. All right, so it comes out about 3.32. So at this point, we have 3.32 equals 2x, and then just divide it by 2. All right, and again, you could use a calculator here to help, but it should be like 1.5 plus 0.16, so it should be about 1.66 if I'm doing the calculations right. Right, and that is how you solve an exponential equation. All right, get the base exponent alone, switch the forms, and then solve it.